Surface mount edge lit disc 15-inch from Lights by Lotus. Multi-purpose surface mounted energy efficient fixtures. Model ADS15R 3CCT. Low profile with narrow flange for architectural appearance. Fast and easy to install in J-Box. Save on labor. Triac dimmable down to 10%. Flicker free. Wet location approved. Suitable for indoor and outdoor installations. 3CCT user selectable. 3000 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin, and 5000 Kelvin. 30 watt 2000 lumen with CRI 90 Plus for true color rendering. Mounting hardware included. ETL and Energy Star certified. 5-year warranty.